told you, first kick every time. It's still a little cold, but I didn't put the coat on.
Ah, first kick.
It is our first kick. There, it's getting a little warmer now.
Cut this out and go.
Turn around here. It's still a little cold here. Doing a little road action to get her warmed up real quick. Square body over here looking minty. Woo, look at that mama. Whoa, man, it's a little swirly here. Two-stroke roar. I think here in a minute, I'm gonna take all these big old freaking, what are they called, logs. Take all these logs and stuff, put them in a big pile, and try to cross them. Got this little thing right here. Wet out today, but it only gets better because the woods race is going to be a little wet. Bike with that freaking loud White Brothers exhaust. This thing's loud as heck. A little squirrely, isn't it?
I got soaked.
Yeah, so did I.
Well, I got into that mud and it took control completely. Like, I had no control.
Oh, really?
So it picked a rut and it just went straight into the freaking water.
That's hilarious. Yeah, I seen you. Seen
Yeah.
smoke everywhere.
Yeah, that's whenever I just hit it.
Is the sprocket all right?
Yeah, it looks all right.
All right, good, sick.
Dude, I'm telling you, I'm gonna be freaking ripping.
That's freaking sick.
That race comes.
Yeah, I can't wait.
Is there a lot of jumps in the races?
No, there's no jumps.
A lot of hill climbs.
Yeah, there's hill climbs.
See, I haven't done any kind of climbing on a quad before, so I don't know.
It shouldn't be that hard, but the only thing is with quads, I don't like them rolled back down on you.
Yeah.
Dirt bikes ain't really gonna hurt you.
Pretty much a grown man.
Oh, are you? Oh, yeah, okay. Whatever you say. I'm putting my goggles on. I don't know why I don't have them on. Oh, they're all fogged up. What the?
Yeah, mine are screwed.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what?
I'm not even gonna wear mine. Yeah, I'm gonna toss mine right there. All right, sick. Let's go back to ripping. Oh, getting really squirrely right here. around on the quad with him. You guys see me, third person.
All right, boys and girls. I'm not sure how much you can hear me, but we're gonna get her done. Guys.
Yeah. You want to hit the little mud hole?
No. Do you ever do it in this?
Huh?
You ever do it?
I've done it before, but it was not that muddy.
Well, let's do it. Yeah, yeah.
You gonna get it?
Yeah, I am.
Let me get a video.
Oh, guys. Guess we're gonna hit the mud hole.
She's a bit sloppy today too. Oh, maybe not. Oh yeah. Oh man. We in second gear there?
Yeah.
Dang.
Golly, I am extra soaked now, and she's
Look at
really
that.
smoking there.
Look at all that water on there. That was sick.
Oh, yeah.
Yeehaw.
I just ate a bunch of mud. Echo! You guys hear that echo? Echo! That's awesome. Casey has a mangina. Casey has a mangina. All right, boys and girls, I guess I'll put you on. You can ride with me. Oh my goodness gracious, you about hit me. right, I think that'll do it. All us could see, but I guess this is here as an outro.
Yeah.
Go ahead and tell you, sorry we haven't been making vidges. I'm telling you, when it gets warm outside, it's just gonna be popping. Like, we're gonna make all kinds of videos.
Just wait for this weekend too.
This weekend will be good. This week,
Yeah.
I might do some fishing this week. And yeah, hopefully that's some good content. We'll probably go ahead and post this. So yeah, I guess we'll catch y'all on the flip side.